I'm gonna do an alarm test on my 2002 Cadillac Eldorado. I do not have a key fob for it currently, so I just use the power lock on the door. Not exactly sure how long I'm supposed to wait. My guess is like maybe 30 seconds, I don't know. But it's been about that long, so I'm gonna try it, see if it activates or triggers or whatever. Okay. Yep, it works. If I could stop it now. Wait, I started the car and it's still going off. Wait, that's not good. Hold on. Did that stop it? Okay, that worked. Okay, so confirmed. The alarm works. The alarm works.